Gonna make a mushroom soup today with some Dunk's mushrooms. Got some king oysters, some shiitakes, and some lion's mane. So this is the finished soup after we've seasoned, balanced, tasted again, worked on our balance of flavors. Now we're just gonna put some in a bowl and then show how we present it at the refinery. A little bit more. There we go. Clean off the edge a little bit. Yeah, this is a chive oil we make as a little garnish. It adds a little kind of top flavor, and then we have some little fried leeks right here.